We've got a passion for fashion. I don't know if that is even the theme song. I think it is, but then again, I heard that last when I was in like 4th grade, so who really knows? But anyways, what is up? Absolutely beautiful, gorgeous, stunning people. It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to maybe the most exciting video I've done in forever. So a super popular trend that's going on right now is the Bratz doll challenge, where people turn themselves into a Bratz doll. So I thought, you know, it would be fun to kind of do a twist on the challenge and turn a Bratz doll into me. Because I'm just that interesting. No, I'm kidding. But I just always thought it'd be fun to have a doll that you could like completely carbon copy match with. I always loved dolls, and I thought, you know, this was a good excuse to play with them even at 25 years old. So without further ado, here we go. Turning a Bratz doll into me. Are you ready, pumpkin? Yeah, let's model. Alrighty, so this is the look that we are going to be recreating today. This is part of my Amber by Meshki line. You can see this is just literally like the cutest look ever. Oh my god, we have the tweed little bustier Chanel inspired, the matching tweed little skirt. You can actually see the fabric is a little bit pink, so cute. We have some of my favorite shoes and George's favorite shoes too. Hi, honey bear. Hi. So we have these little white Oxford pumps, so freaking fresh. Of course, we have my most favorite signature gold Versace purse. And of course, ooh, it wouldn't be me without the ice. So we got some diamond rings on. And of course, my hair in the half up, half down kind of look. Not quite as good as Josh does it, but you know, I tried. So we are just gonna go ahead and get started and see if we can create this doll. So here we go. Actually, wait. George, where'd you go, pumpkin? Here, George. Hi, honey. Oh, all right. Now we can get started. Okay, so here you can see this is the Bratz doll that I got on Amazon. So freaking cool. Oh my god, I forgot how much I love dolls. But anyway, so I bought this. You can see her out of the package here, looking fierce as ever. Wow, very nice, sis. Very nice. So first things first, we're gonna do her hair. So you can see she has bangs. So I went ahead and started to do this by taking off her hat, and to my dismay, I noticed she had space buns in too. So I took those out, then her hair looked literally crazy. So I tried to brush it with this little like star comb thing, but that didn't really do too much. So I decided to put some hair gel in her hair. I didn't know if this was gonna work, but plot twist, turned out it did. So I gelled down the bangs to kind of push them back so it looked a little bit more like me. Then I decided I had to deal with the mess. So again, star brush, and I tried to pull it up just like I had my hair for the photo shoot. So pulled that up like this. Not exactly the easiest thing in the world, but went ahead and tied that around in a little half up, half down Ariana inspired pony thing, and it kind of looked like this. Do you have any idea how hard it is to style Bratz hair? No, but just for the record, it's very hard. Very hard. Eventually, after 100,000 mishaps, I even tried to straighten it because, I don't know, I'm an idiot, much to Josh's amusement. Thousands of gel points later and a bunch of creative ideas, we eventually came to this. Not terrible. I mean, kinda, but mostly not terrible. Side note, oh my god, look at George sleeping like an angel while I do this. He's perfect. So next I'm gonna go ahead and redo her makeup. It actually, ironically, already looks just like mine. She even has the double winged liner, so that was so funny when I saw that. But I usually wear brown eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna color in the purpley area and make it brown, so it's brown. Now it is the next morning, so we're gonna go ahead and deal with the outfit now. So we are going to go ahead and remove everything and start from scratch. So we are going to be recreating this Amber by Meshki outfit, which is my favorite outfit from my collection. I just thought this was like the most iconic thing that I own, so we're gonna redo that, very me. So I went ahead and took some of the extra fabric that we had from the samples, and I am going to go ahead and dress her in it. This is a look. But in order to do this, what I'm going to do is take the clothes that actually the doll came with, which just so happened to already be a bustier and a little skirt thing that looks just like mine. So what I'm going to do is take the fabric and basically lay them on top of it and just sew it onto the pre-existing piece. So you can see over, under, over, under, over, under, just like classic sewing, until it is all attached to the little skirt. Ta-da! I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the little bralette thing. Go ahead, over, under, until it also looks like a little, you know, makeshift bra. Throw that on her and bam! It actually looks, oh wow, I'm impressed. Pretty good. Now we're going to go ahead and do the shoes. So plot twist, the Bratz feet literally entirely disconnect, so that's hilarious. But I'm gonna go ahead and try and recreate these shoes. Also, yes, I am filming this on my stove. I don't cook, so it's fine. yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and spray paint the boots with white spray paint that I got so they match. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take some black little string to match the shoelaces. So I'm just gonna go ahead and actually cut that into 3 little pieces and super glue it just to match the same design of my shoe. Tie a little bow and glue that on too so it looks like a little doll version of my foot. Throw those on her and voila, shoe superstar. So now I'm gonna go ahead and recreate my iconic bag. This is my most prized possession in the whole world. This is the very first thing that I bought myself when my YouTube career took off. So I had some gold iron-on glitter applique that I had in my craft box from Mr. Benjamin, of course. And all I'm gonna do for this is basically, it was hard for me to film this, but I kind of just took a bunch of small pieces and folded them together and glued them until they kind of created a little box. I mean, no one's probably gonna do this project, so it doesn't really matter if the directions are a little skewed. So I went ahead and took like a little Greek coin button thing that I also randomly had. Also LOL at the literal white paint all over my fingers from spray painting. I need to redo my nails for show tomorrow. Then I went ahead and bought this little gold chain off of a necklace. So I'm just gonna go ahead and super glue the edges of that onto the purse. So it looks basically like a carbon copy of mine. Look at that. Versace who? Next, we're gonna go ahead and do the jewelry because I am obsessed with jewelry and I'm always glittered in diamonds. So went ahead and cut off some crystals from this diamond chain so she matches the diamond studs like I always wear. I even went ahead and used a little gold craft paint pen to draw on my signature gold rings that I'm always wearing, and of course a little bling bling because y'all know, again, I love the glitters. Oh yes, looks just like me. Then, of course, I went ahead and I had to have a matching George because my puppy is now the greatest thing in my life aside of you guys, of course. So I went ahead and bought this little Barbie puppy dog, which just so happened to already have green eyes, just like Mr. George. So I went ahead and I made him a little black bow tie out of some fabric that I had. So it made the perfect little George puppy look-alike. Fantastic. Ta-da! You can see this is actually basically a literal carbon copy of me. This is the coolest project ever. Wow, I am so proud of this. This came out even way better than expected. You can see the bag matches. Sir George is so stinking cute. The outfit looks baller. My hair actually looks pretty good. The makeup is on fleek, and all in all, I would say we McFrickin' nailed it. This is just so cool. Oh my god, I can't. Like, oh my god, this came out so good. Literally twins. Who inspired that look, I wonder? So there you have it, guys. That was me turning a Bratz doll into me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video because I had so much fun filming this. Wow, wow, wow. Maybe I'll start a business. I mean, not really. I don't have time to spend like 15 hours turning everyone into a doll all the time. But thank you guys, as always, so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for lots more fun content featuring me and, of course, Mr. George, wherever he went. George, come here. You far away. What are you doing? Hi. Hi. Thank you for being in Mommy's video. You're the best. I love you guys so very much. Thank you again for everything, and I will see you guys very soon. And until then, kisses. Till next time, my absolute baby loves. XO. Oh wait, sis, you want to blow a kiss too? Now that's how you sign off of a video. Do you love you? Oh, it's so cute, right? So cute. Ah, no, don't eat yourself, George. No. Silly baby.